Hey guys, today in the review, we have the TESMEN TM-510. We received this multimeter from the TESMEN company to make a review. It's the Smart Digital Multimeter TM-510. First, we'll unbox it and then test its capabilities. This multimeter comes in 3 colors: green, red, and blue. We received the green version for testing. Let's unpack it. The box includes an instruction manual and a carrying case containing the multimeter and probes. Let's unpack the carrying case containing the multimeter and see what else we get with it. Let's first take a look at the multimeter. You can find this multimeter at the link in the video description. A sleek and simple multimeter that can fit in any pocket. I like it. I'm curious about how it looks when we remove the rubber protection. To turn it on, you need to insert the batteries that come with it. Some manufacturers don't include batteries, so this is commendable for the TESMEN company. The best part, removing the screen protector. First, we'll connect the probes. The black probe goes to the black COM connector, and the red probe goes to the red connector. We'll immediately test continuity between the probes. Works perfect. As for the options, we have voltage, resistance, and continuity measurements. Additionally, it can measure voltage non-contact. Another excellent feature is the screen backlight. First, we will test the 9-volt battery voltage. The expected result is around 9 volts. Very precise, the multimeter measured 9 volts, which is accurate. The In the next test, we will measure the voltage of a 3-volt battery to see how the multimeter measures a slightly lower voltage. In the final test, we will attempt to measure the resistance of resistors. The first resistor should have a value of around 950 ohms, while the second one about 4.5 ohms. As we can see, the multimeter measures the resistance of the resistors very accurately. And that's all for today's video. If you like the review, please subscribe to the channel. See you next time.